up guys? Good morning. We're on the road. Sama ko si Kuya Elijah. Punta kami dun sa potential project namin. May partner ako dito. Yung partner ko is yung partner ko from Woodhaven's project. So meron siya nakuwang bahay and he wants me to see it and he wants me to see if pwede naming gawin ulit as a project. So yeah. And also may potential akong buyer just in case na hindi mag-workout. He's also coming there to potentially take the deal from us. So let's go! So guys, nandito na kami and we're just gonna check it out and do our thing. I'll let you guys know what happens. Okay guys, all done dito. About the house, malaki siya and it needs, for me, a lot of work. So, ang tingin ni partner, yung ARV dito sa bahay na to is around 600, 650 to 7. For me, I would be super conservative. It would be probably 550. Max, you could get 575. So, medyo tight yung numbers for my liking. And it needs maybe minimum $100,000 in reno because of the size. Hindi siya bugbog, which means it's not like it needs to patch every wall, you know. But it's the size. When the size is big, you know, it still costs a lot. So for me, I might be out of this deal. Yung buyer ko din, sabi niya madaming work na kailangan, so he's not going to buy it. So yeah, we're just gonna go home. We're going back to Project West K 2.0 mamaya kasi bibenta na namin yung isang bed doon. And then mamaya may pupuntahan kaming birthday. So stay tuned. Pakita namin sa inyo kung sinong may birthday today. Okay guys, we're here na sa Project West K 2.0. Naantay na lang namin yung buyer ng bed and then i-disassemble nila and then we're done. Okay guys, we're back home. Nakuha na yung isang bed and then mamaya meron pa daw isa. And this boy wants to say hi. Say hi!
Hi!
Hi! So yeah, meron pang isang buyer for dun sa dalawang bed. Hopefully kunin niya na yung dalawang bed. Kain lang muna kami. Okay guys, we're back dito sa Project West K 2.0. Parating na din yung next buyer natin para sa bed. And Emil is asleep. So I'll be waiting inside the car until they're done. So yung cash. Let's see them cash. Sheesh! Sold 2 beds. May isa pang natitirang bed. Let's go. Okay guys, we're going to a birthday party na. Let's go. Hello, hello, hello. Happy birthday, Kuya Ethan.
Thank you.
How old are you now?
So 10.
10? Guys, pakilala ko sa inyo si Dora. Nagtayag mo na kayo dito. Come on. Olivia's new haircut is so pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. She's gonna kiss Ninong. Kasi she's my favorite eh. Show them yung haircut. She just got a haircut, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. So beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. Oh my God. Right? Comment down below, eh? The chat. Comment down below. Hi, Kisha. Come here, Kisha. Come on.
Wait.
Say hi. Hi. You watch my vlog, huh? Your mama says you watch my vlog. Say hi. I'm gonna post this, okay? You're gonna see yourself on YouTube. No? You don't want to? You're gonna say, oh, she's so pretty. Like Olivia. Right? Guys, comment down below if you think Olivia's haircut is so pretty. How old is Kuya Ethan now? 10? When's Olivia's birthday? Wow, her birthday is coming up soon too, guys. Okay, Olivia, what's your message to Kuya Ethan?
Happy birthday. Love you so much. You're the best.
Wow, happy birthday, Kuya Ethan. Can you say a message to Kuya Ethan?
Happy birthday.
Boys, message for Ethan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ethan. Be a good boy. No boyfriend.
Message to Kuya Ethan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ethan.
Say happy birthday, Kuya Ethan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ethan. I want to say hi.
Okay. Say happy birthday, Kuya Ethan.
And
Anong message mo kay Ethan?
Ayusin na lang muna. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Hoy!
Happy birthday po.
Hi, Ethan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ethan. I hope your day is nice.
Message for yourself.
I love myself.
Happy birthday, Ethan! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Ethan! Wish you well, good boy, and everything.
Happy birthday, Tristan! Happy birthday na lang and good health.
Nakakain na ako.
Ano mas masarap?
Yung binibili ko.
Happy birthday, Ethan!
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Keep loving yourself.
Okay, sing. Hey! May sapak! 6, 7!